Hey. Welcome back to Candy's World Candy Lands. Happy Friday, y'all. And today I wanted some McDonald's. So I said, let me do something with this. They got a 2 for $6. So I'm gonna try the quarter pounder with cheese and a Big Mac, my favorite. So how y'all doing today? And today we'll be talking about those toys. And shout out to my daughter, MRTV, Maria, my girl Cola, and everybody else a Taurus. And we'll be talking about a movie again. Let me try. I'm gonna give me a bite of this Big Mac, y'all. I haven't had McDonald's in a while. I'm gonna take it off the thing, y'all. So I said they got 2 for $6. Let me get on that deal because it's gonna be a while before I go back. I heard to get my cat some food. My cat looking at me like, I'm tired of eating tuna fish. Now, you know cats love tuna fish, but how you tired of eating it? So I put him some food too. Go out to mom, buy him a big bag. Now, he responsible for taking care of Kitty for us the food. I'm responsible for Kane. Kane got him a big bag of benefit food. Why you forget to get Kitty? So you taking out my money, and I had to buy her a little small bag. Boy. So let's get into the topic. I'm gonna dig into that too, y'all. The birds. You know they had a black and white one. It's by what's his name? Alfred Hitchcock. He created that movie. I'm quite sure. If I'm not mistaken, I like the black and white one, but I think they had a color one too. But it's the same. But I think they put it in color too. Now, don't get me wrong, y'all. Birds is a part of the nature, but I don't like birds. I mean, I can't say I hate them. I just don't like them flying over me, especially like in public. They fly down with some white ones or whatever, but I can't. Let me take this. I really don't like the quarter pounder. I stick to the Big Mac. Destiny, come in, hurry up. Now, I don't know why. I know why the birds attack now. Get her. But they said, first of all, was the birds evil? Because they say they attacked because she bought some jaybirds or something, lovebirds, whatever. And I guess the birds in that city got wind. My mother used to say, because we used to always interpret movies, like make jokes of and stuff. My mother said the city birds or the county birds or whatever the birds where they was at was jealous of the jaybirds because the jaybirds get all the attention, or they pretty or whatever. But anyway, y'all, and this is real life too. That's why you don't really be mean to animals or any kind, because their bodies and stuff is more powerful than human. Them birds could come here, our little birds where we at, and attack us. Move, Kane. So they ain't had no wind. They was going hard. And people, my sisters be scared of movies. I don't know why. I'm not scared of movies like that. I try to get into them, be like, I want to know, and I still don't know this. Like I said, me and my mother, we used to interpret movies like, put our own little theory in it. But we really don't know what made the birds attack. So, being though it's an Alfred Hitchcock movie, it had to be some kind of suspense. So, I'm thinking those birds was evil. Okay. We here. Us. Now. Say like whatever town we at. Say like somebody buy some birds. Like birds or something. And these birds around here where I'm at or where y'all at, they get mad. But you know what? I don't even think, let me take that back. I don't even think they could win because, for one, when them birds attacked it like that, they was in a small town. So, unless they called their little friends all over the world, I don't know. But, you know what, y'all? I already seldom see birds. Earth used to feed them. But my thing is, and my neighbor, she used to feed them. And they used to be in my yard as far as feeding them bread. I told them, take them birds. Y'all feed y'all birds over where y'all live at. Because I don't want them to come in my yard. I will never harm a bird. And I don't never want to see nothing happen to a bird. But I don't get jiggy with them. Now, maybe because I saw that movie, but like I said, it's some birds that go real hard. It's the white seagulls. And like I said, when I'm walking and we eating and stuff, me and my kids and stuff, we can't eat because they will fly down. My son be steady eating. I be like, I put that stuff like they just too aggressive for me. So like they say, one apple spilled a bunch, so them seagulls made a bad rap for me with them birds. So anyway, let's get into Taurus, y'all. And how they are in the morning time. I told my daughter when I do her sign, I hope she was over here, but she ain't gonna be over here later on. So by then I've been finished doing the video, y'all. But I already told her what I was gonna do, and I already showed her what they said about Taurus, how they do in the morning time. My daughter Taurus, that's my oldest daughter, she do not like how her sign Taurus is being represented. She was like, they be making us seem like we just greedy and we just eat and we just lazy. Is it true? But anyway, they say y'all Taurus, when y'all in the morning time, the best between that is always gonna be my Big Mac. Like I said, I only bought the quarter pounder because it was mix and mac, 2 for $6. So I said, why not do a mukbang Big Mac versus quarter pounder, I guess. But anyway, they say Taurus, when in the morning time, y'all won't stop yawning. I told my daughter that she was like, why they say that? Well, that's what they say. I'm gonna this king will eat a pickle. He ate a pickle. He is greedy. But yeah, y'all, that's what they said about y'all Taurus, y'all. Y'all tell me, since they be going hard on y'all sign, the little memes be going hard on y'all sign, Taurus, as my daughter say. Y'all, she tell me when she get up in the morning time, she already up, she up. She don't keep yawning. So any Taurus in the bill, oh yeah, Nene, chilling with Nene, she a Taurus. Do y'all keep on yawning when you get in the morning time, Nene? She'll keep it real. I am a real, they Taurus, y'all, when they come through. So y'all, I'm about to slide. I can't eat 2 burgers like that, but I just was doing the verses. I am with my little stuff that I do. I just got in the door, so I'm about to clean up and get my day started Friday, y'all. If you want to see more of me as far as the music, I'm not doing music because YouTube don't be playing with that music, but I just be hard-headed sometimes. But anyway, I'm gonna be on Facebook or Instagram on YouTube with the music. Kendra Giles on Facebook. Spiky_Whitey on Instagram. If you like it, subscribe. If you don't, you can pass it on by. But until next time, I see y'all soon with another chit chat, Zodiac, and a mukbang. Bye, Candylands.